fucking lights flickering and all that.
Woo!
Hot?
A little bit. How big do we need it, guys?
Alright, let's size it up against the hole down here.
It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, so I need to go up like... Well, like I said in the last video, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to things that'll keep me alive, and making sure your gas tank is strapped down is kind of important, wouldn't you say?
So. Yeah, it's a little explosive. Yeet!
That is perfect. All right, so I told Andrew the other day, he let me borrow his GTI and kind of did some polls. And then he ate a slice of my pizza, so I told him that we're even now. Roasted $2 worth of tire, and you got a $5 Kroger pizza slice out of it. So
$5
for the whole damn pizza.
The whole pizza's $5.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
I ain't eat your whole damn pizza.
I know, but you took a fat slice. Well,
you took a fat chunk of tire off my wheels.
Debatable.
Debatable.
All right, so the game plan is to mount the fuel tank and then drill through the frame and then reinforce.
She's hot.
Yeah, no
right.
fucking.
But that's where she's gonna be rolling.
Yeah. All right, so on the other side, well, in the middle, we're gonna mount the surge tank and the fuel pump assembly down here. So we got the Bosch 0344, I think, whatever, the 300 liter per hour pump, and then we're gonna mount everything down here, and then yeah, this will be the fuel system. What I'll probably do is get the Garagistic spare tire delete and then put hinges on that, so this will fold up, and because this pump will be pretty loud, so that way it'll muffle the sound of the pump. But you know, race car sounds are cool, so it doesn't really matter.
Pump it up.
Pump it up. Yeah, so we got all the fittings. Shout out to Ian for letting me borrow your light bar, your lightsaber, I should say. And yeah, so we just need some block offs and a couple more A-in fittings on the fuel rail, and she should be good. So he's gonna start drilling the next piece of metal. Fucking lights flickering.
Okay.
And then we can expand it to size with that stepper bit. The fucking lights, dude. Quit putting holes in my shit.
Meh.
All right, let's see how she lines up. So that'll mount on the under. Ooh, that is warm.
Yeah.
That is warm. So underside, some structural.
So we need the extra hole over here. Right here.
Yep.
That's in place.
Oh.
That's in place. So we need that. We use the center punch to mark it.
Yeah. Using the tools I actually bought. What a fucking concept. Yo, this thing is so much fun. I love center punches. Highly underrated tool.
Bet.
Can't really see it, but she's like right there. I think. Yeah. So much rust. Can't even see shit. Andrew's drill master. I don't trust myself with power tools too much. I just send it.
Oof. Oof. Gonna need an extension.
That green one will extend back further.
What green
The one that everything's plugged into.
one?
Also, I just want to say shout out Trace, you know, FA20 Trace. If you like Subarus, just go follow him. He's trying to smash someone, so. Oh, wait, no, he was talking about someone else. Redacted, can't even say anything.
Yerman metal guy ain't got shit on me.
America! So it turns out one of the storage lockers right down there has a Z28 Camaro in it, and the person hasn't paid in over a year. So my buddy Ian, who is my neighbor, is going to assume and create a bonded title for it, and yeah, you should have a Camaro and sell it. Get a couple months free off the storage locker rent, you know, gold. Oh my God, Andrew. Fucking coming in, clutch. Give me a fist bump. Yeet. Got to blow on the tip before you stick it in. We probably should have used some machine oil, but you know, low column A, low column B.
Nah, the metal's not really thick enough. This is probably the only thing I needed, but really it just needed a towel because this bitch got hot. So, now everything should line up.
She's still warm?
Not too bad. So, it's all...
Yeah.
It's all lining
So
up
we're
now.
gonna go get bolts tomorrow, and like I said, they're gonna go through the underside, and
Next is mounting this.
yep.
Do
But
we want to push that in further?
I don't know. We'll have to mock up the lines.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to have that clear. Probably. I think that's got enough clearance right there.
Yep. All right. We'll be back. All right. So we're gonna finish up this video just talking about how we're gonna plumb this. First thing you're gonna need. Can't really see. So back here we got the rollover fitting, or the rollover vent, which we sized properly for the AN. And then Andrew, let me see that. So this is our diagram. So we have the vent to the pump to the surge tank, and then the surge tank goes to the fuel rail, which is that loop up there, comes back and fills the surge tank, and then we have a relief for any overflow that'll go back into the fuel tank. Oh no, please turn back on. Nope, it just died. But yeah, so basically we got all the fittings down there, and bet. So we got the fittings down here. So this will come into the surge tank, or go into the fuel pump, and then the fuel pump will run to the filter. Filter will go into the surge tank. Surge tank will go to the fuel rail out there, and then the fuel rail return will come back up to one of these, and then go back into the tank in the top right corner. Yep. So that's pretty much it, and this is going to be part one for doing the fuel system. Peace.
Peace.